Hello guys, today's lesson is about construction drawing. So in this lesson I've discussed about construction drawing. What does it mean construction drawing first of all? Construction drawing gives deeper understanding to create complete structures. Yes, which gives more information or detailed information for us to understand the constructed buildings that will be constructed for the future. Construction drawings are vital plans, which is drawn either by hand or digital programs that may be AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, or Civil 3ds, maybe SketchUps. By using such like of softwares, we can prepare it, or traditionally by using hand sketches. Construction drawing shows a structure to be built. Yes, it simply shows what will be for the future. Simply, construction drawing shows the structure that will be constructed in the future. Or it is simply a roadmap to show what will be constructed. Construction drawing is guide or a roadmap. It is a guide or a roadmap in the construction process by showing or describing a structure's dimension or installation of materials. What types of material will be installed? What types of materials will be used in the construction process? And other factors. And also helps ensure local agency agents the project any necessary permits. Yes, when we prepare construction project, construction drawing, we have to go to the municipalities to get permission to construct the construction project by showing our drawings. Construction drawings have architectural symbols and standardized marking for various aspects of the construction. Yes, in a construction drawings, there is so many symbols, window symbols, door symbols, or elevation symbols, material symbols, blah blah, extra. So we have to know those symbols to understand construction drawing. Professionals also draw nearly all construction drawings to scale, meaning they reduce the actual dimensions of a future structure by equal amount in the drawing. Yes, when we make a drawing, we have to use scale. We have to reduce the exact size of the structure by some amount of dimensions. Like here, for example, with a construction drawing made at a scale of quarter of millimeter per meter. Meter, a draw line measuring simply this quarter of millimeter per meter simply equals 1 millimeter equals 4 meter on a construction project. 1 millimeter in paper, which is equal to 4 meter in ground construction project. Or if we draw 1 200 scales, 1 millimeter represents 200 millimeter in ground. So we have to use scale when we prepare construction drawing. Here is architectural design processes. When we prepare architectural design or architectural drawings, we have to follow those 7 steps or processes. To make efficient architectural design process is extremely important for the successful completion of project. Why we make efficient architectural design? Why? Because it is extremely important for the successful completion of a project. Without efficient architectural design, there is no what? Successful completion of project. When everyone is in a team follows a well-tested set of steps, that means those 7 steps, there is a fewer error. There is what? Fewer errors. Delay. There is less duplicated efforts. And the staff and the customers feel more satisfied. Yes, when we make our design stressfully or consciously, we get what? Fewer errors, or we have to minimize our errors. We have to minimize, we will minimize delays, and also we will minimize duplications. And the last, we have to maximize the satisfaction of our customers. Here are the main design pieces, namely 1. Prepare design, 2. Schematic design, 3. Design development, 4. Construction document, 5. Building permit, 6. Bidding and negotiation, 7. Construction administration. So when we prepare architectural drawing, we have to follow those 7 steps to make well interested or efficient architectural designs. Let us see each one by one. Pre-design stage or pre-design steps. This step is what architects work on extensively in their teams, brainstorming ideas, sketching and understanding the sites. This stage is understanding of client's need, personality, lifestyles. During this stage, we have to know our client's need, personality, lifestyles, beliefs, family sizes, if it is residential, financial capacity. Such things we have to understand during these stages. Why? Because it is what? Important for design process. The main objective of this stage includes understanding of the client's personality and needs, understanding the client's aspiration or goal for the project, for what purpose he will be used this project. Finally, after we constructed it, how to know for what purpose he will use that project. The other is site study. You have to make site study. Where is the location of the site? What seems like the topography and geological features of the site. You have to know. Locate pre-existing structures on the site. You have to identify and locate pre-existing structures on the site. Is there any demolition parts? Or is there any cut and fill parts about topography of the soil? Or if there is existing structure, how we construct this structure, the new structure? Is there any demolition or not? How to identify things such like. The other is local zoning, land use, restrictions, scales, surrounding buildings, neighborhoods, site conditions, building code, and more should be understood in these stages. And you have to make such like of diagrams to make what? To understand the feeling of the client. You have to